Thanks for stopping by and welcome to your data dictionary built in SharePoint. If you're wondering, what's a data dictionary? Well, it's simple. Data means individual facts, statistics, and items of information. A dictionary is a reference tool containing words and their meanings, like a physical dictionary book. So when you combine data and dictionary, you literally have the definitions of your data all in one place. That's pretty simple. So how can SharePoint help you? Buckle up for a smooth ride. Although data stored in Excel can be accidentally deleted, many businesses create data dictionaries in Excel to collect names, definitions, and attributes. On the positive side, it helps teams avoid data inconsistencies, helps define conventions like user profile names, makes data easier to analyze, and enforces the use of data standards such as exact date formats. Here's an example of an Excel data dictionary. You start at your first worksheet called Featured Datasets, and you click on a featured dataset name such as Auditory to dive deeper into the information. On the Auditory worksheet, click any feature class name such as Military Flight Track L to dive deeper. And as you can see, the last worksheet in this chain will be Military Flight Track L. But in any other feature, this can go on and on as far as need be. Great! Hundreds and hundreds of reference worksheets. So what happens when a careless team member decides to change the spelling of cadastre? Leads to an emergency. Or suppose they delete a worksheet on purpose? Wow! Now references are broken and you need to figure out which versions are floating around. Your once great decentralized data dictionary just got ugly real quick. There's a better centralized way. SharePoint. With this solution, permissions can be set to read-only access. And because SharePoint is centralized, you have 100% version control. Here's the same data dictionary. Your featured datasets are listed under Featured Dataset Name, Auditory, Cadastre, Emergency, and Environmental Air Quality. Let's go into the dataset to see more information. In Environmental Air Quality and under Feature Class Name, we have Air Emission Source P. Let's go deeper into this feature class. Now we can see all of the attributes of Air Emission Source P, and if you notice, the text, rows, and hover colors are customized differently from the feature classes. This tells us that we have reached the end of the information. With SharePoint, you can literally house thousands of rows of data. To return to the featured datasets, just click Featured Datasets on the left in the Quick Launch. Once you're there, choose another dataset, such as Auditory. Then choose Military Flight Track L. Once you're there, just like under Environmental, you can see we've reached the final list of dictionary information for Auditory. Again, thousands of rows of data can be stored in this solution. Whenever you're ready, navigate back to featured datasets or even to another feature class. You and your team will see that navigation in this solution is so easy, and they will greatly appreciate the ease of access. And because of version control, I promise, so will you. With SharePoint, your entire team can access the data dictionary at once. You have complete control over versioning, and projects can press on to completion. Contact me and I'll have your cloud-based solution up and running in no time. Stay awesome, have a blessed day, and remember, be epic.